Hello and welcome to today's video, Augmented Reality, how it is changing the way we work and learn. I'm excited to show you how this technology is changing the way we interact with our surroundings. But before we dive in, let's first define what augmented reality is. Augmented reality, or AR for short, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. This can be done through a variety of devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and even specialized glasses. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't that just virtual reality? And you're partially correct. Virtual reality, or VR, immerses the user in a completely digital environment, while AR enhances the user's experience of the real world. So, how is AR changing the way we work and learn? Well, for one, it's making it easier for people in certain fields to visualize and manipulate complex data. For example, architects and engineers can use AR to overlay digital models of their designs onto real-world construction sites, making it easier to identify and address potential issues. In education, AR is being used to create more immersive and engaging learning experiences. Imagine studying anatomy by overlaying a digital model of the human body onto a physical skeleton in a classroom. Or, learning about ancient history by visiting virtual reconstructions of historical sites. The possibilities are endless. But it's not just limited to education and industry. AR is also being used in gaming, advertising and other areas as well. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't AR just a gimmick? And while it's true that AR has been used in some frivolous ways, the potential for this technology is enormous. It's already being used in ways that are making a real impact in industries and education, and as technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for AR in the future. Another area where AR is making a big impact is in the healthcare industry. Surgeons are using AR to overlay digital images, such as CT scans, onto a patient's body during surgery. This allows them to see important anatomy and landmarks that would otherwise be hidden. In the field of retail, AR is being used to enhance the shopping experience. Customers can use their smartphones to see how clothes, furniture and other items look in their homes before they buy. This can save them time and money, and can also help to reduce the amount of returned items. In the field of advertising, AR is allowing companies to create interactive and memorable experiences for their customers. For example, by using AR, a customer can scan a poster or a product packaging and watch a short video or play a game. In the field of entertainment, AR is being used to create new forms of storytelling. For example, a book can be turned into an interactive experience by using AR, where characters and objects come to life on the pages. Overall, augmented reality is a technology that is rapidly evolving, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities that it holds for the future. From education to healthcare, retail to entertainment, AR is being used to create new and innovative experiences that were once thought to be impossible. So, As you can see, augmented reality is not just a gimmick, it's a technology that is transforming the way we interact with the world around us, and it's one to watch in the future. So, there you have it. A brief overview of how augmented reality is changing the way we work and learn. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the possibilities of this exciting technology. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest technology and trends.